Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a star finder. First, familiarize yourself with its components. You'll notice a circular disc, which rotates, and an outer cover with an oval cutout. The disc shows stars and constellations, while the cover displays times and compass directions like north, south, east, and west. It's important to use a star finder that matches your approximate latitude for the most accurate sky representation. Now, let's set your star finder for observation. Locate the date scale on the rotating disc and the time scale on the stationary cover. Rotate the disc until your current date lines up with the exact time you plan to observe. If daylight saving time is in effect, remember to subtract 1 hour from your local clock time before setting. This simple step will accurately display the stars visible above you. Once set, take your star finder outside under a dark sky. Hold it above your head, making sure the north direction on the star finder points towards true north. The oval opening on the cover now acts as a window to the actual sky. Stars appearing in the center of this oval will be directly overhead, while those closer to the oval's edge will be low on your horizon. To make your stargazing experience even better, use a flashlight with a red filter. This helps maintain your night vision. Keep in mind that star finders show fixed stars and constellations, but they do not display planets, as planets move across the sky. For best results, spend a few minutes practicing with your star finder indoors to understand its movements before venturing out into the night.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.